How to turn on show status icon on Signal application. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to turn on show status icon on Signal. It's so easy and quick, so let's jump in. First thing, go to your Signal application and click on those 3 points up there and click on settings. Scroll down and click on privacy. Now scroll down again and you have the last option, advanced, click on it. And now you have sealed standard, show status icon. Show an icon in message detail when they were delivered using sealed standard. Click on it and turn on this option. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful to you, and if you liked the video don't forget to subscribe and like.